transporting beans and cheese. He could have been exposed to radiation.
Time goes so fast that I just blinked one time and it's already 2:25.
Oh, it should go by pretty fast because we're going to go over arms next. Arms. Arms. Cups and arms. We went over cups yesterday. The past 2 days, we're going to go over arms today and probably Friday, not tomorrow. A thumbs up when you've completed this page so we can go into arms. Have your journal next to you. We're going to take some notes over arms. I know some of you are going to be like, why do we have to do all this writing?
I finished.
Okay, got one done. Have your journal next to you.
So do we put this one up, Miss Hernandez?
Yes, you can close that one.
Wait, what time does?
Oh, you better not ask that. What time does school end?
No, I wasn't gonna say anything.
Is that what you're asking?
No.
What time does school end? Probably what? What did I say?
2:50?
Somewhere's in there, 2:45 to 2:53, somewhere's in there, just because I have to take Antonio outside. No, I don't really have to do much, but we'll probably be I wouldn't say 2:55. You got to go over revising. Natalie was asking about that yesterday. She's like, are we going to go over revising? No, we didn't. Are y'all done? Yes, no, maybe so.
I'm done.
Okay. I'm going to close this. Oh, that's our vocabulary. Cups and arms. Arms. Let's get going. Have your journal. We're going to put this, should be next to where cups is.
Is that the page that we wrote the other day?
It's similar to that page, yes, but we're going over the second part.
Okay.
You can write it if you want to on the back of cups.
Okay.
Like, here's my cups. You can write it back here if you want to. I just wrote it on the next page. So arms. Arms goes with, I should have put that on here, revising. Hold on. Revising. This is the tougher of the two. A means add sentences and words. R means remove unneeded words or sentences. M means move a sentence or word placement. And S means substitute words or sentences for others. So you may have to change some sentences or words, maybe use a synonym, which is a word that's similar to something. For example, instead of saying maybe tall, you might say what? The boy was tall. What else could you say about the boy? He was what? He was huge. You're writing this down. Come on. Writing this down. Let's go. We're almost done for the day. Almost. Come on, you're writing it in your journal. So whatever you wrote cups in on Monday. Whatever you wrote cups in on Monday.
Oh, we did cups yesterday. Are you going to do another one?
We did Monday. Monday wrote cups. Yesterday we did that passage. Write this down. Come on. We'll do a passage not tomorrow, but Friday. Come on. Go back to your drawing when you're done with it. We're almost done, and then we're going to do a little assignment. Arms. I need to make sure you're writing this down. Thumbs up.
You still need our reading book.
No, you can put it up. Oh, I put too much lotion on my hands. Put it over my yellows. Arms. Arms. My arm looks weird on camera.
Done, Mr. Hernandez.
Okay. Give everybody a couple minutes to do this.
Done, Mr. Hernandez.
2:35. We're gonna start the assignment so we can at least look at it. Arms. Cups and arms. Cups and arms. Got like 2 minutes. Are y'all done? Or not yet?
I'm not done yet.
Okay. Okay.
I'm done.
Just checking.
Miss Hernandez.
Yes.
It was so quiet that I thought the meeting ended.
And yet they're finishing writing this up. And then I was going to go over something real fast for about 10 minutes. Are we done or not yet? I guess I'd rather you just write this down at least.
I'm not done.
Okay. No, it's just they're writing it down. So it takes a few minutes. I'm thirsty. Thirsty. Had a refrigerator in here. It's the best thing ever. The best thing ever. Best thing ever. Best thing ever.
Done.
Done? Okay, I think AJ was still working. I think Ozzy was still working too.
Yes, I am not done.
I'm done.
Okay, we're just waiting on AJ. Couple minutes. AJ, let me know when you're done.
Okay. I am done.
All right, let's move on. Okay, I'm gonna show you the Nearpod. Y'all don't have to. We won't all do it together. I'll just show it to you. Follow along, okay? For a little bit longer. Let me find it. A Nearpod over revising. Let me go find it. Revising. So revising, like I've been saying, is the harder of the two. Of revising and editing, revising is the harder of the two. Usually, it's even hard for me, but we'll work on it together. It's a Nearpod. What? Be sure to submit the whatevs. I know there's a video on here. Can y'all see my screen? Shake yes, Audrina, if you can see. Revising. So we're gonna be adding sentences. Yeah, I'm not gonna make y'all do it though. So just follow along. Maybe go into it later on and try it tomorrow. Y'all just gonna follow along with me, okay? There's not a lot of time left in our day. We might go back tomorrow or the next day and do it together, but we'll see. R means remove unneeded words. M, move a sentence or word placement. S, substitute words or sentences for others. So, lesson objectives. In this lesson, you will review the difference between editing and revising, understand how to revise using arms to help revise. Remember, when you write a story, you don't only write it once, you write it twice. You're going to brainstorm your rough draft, and then you're going to do your final draft after you've done revised it and edited your story. Revising and editing are ways to improve your writing. What's the difference? Oh, nobody's going to take the poll because nobody's logged in. We'll say not sure. Submit. I'll answer it for you. Think arms for revising. So add, that's the A, add words or sentences, add more descriptive words, add sentences to explain more. So maybe you're writing about your vacation to the beach. You say, I went to the beach. You might want to add some more to that just to tell us what you did at the beach. We want to know what the day was like at the beach. What was the weather like? You could say, you know, I went to the beach and it was raining, that it started randomly raining or something. We want details. Mariah, you have a question? Okay. What's next? Oh, okay, let's see. So using the text, drawing, and image search tool, add words to make these sentences more interesting. The tree was tall. What else can we add to that sentence to make it more interesting?
The tree was tall and I climbed, I can't say the word right. Climbed it.
No, we want to add maybe details. Let's add details about the tree. Maybe what color it was, what it looked like. What could we add there?
It was tall and the tree was tall as a giraffe.
As a what?
The leaves were bright green.
Was as tall as a giraffe. I think that's how you spell giraffe. Good job. I like that you used a simile there. Good job. What else somebody has they want to add? A different about the tree. So you're using figurative language there. Vida, to juice up your story. The tree was tall. What else can we say about the tree maybe? What color it was, you think?
And the leaves were bright green as the sky.
How many animals there are?
What?
And the birds in the trees.
There's like birds or
Okay,
like
so the tree was tall and full of animals, I guess. Yeah. What else?
The tree was blue as the sky.
That's-
Wait, how is the tree?
I don't know, but we'll put it. This tree was as blue as the sky.
What if we like?
What else?
Or what if we like? Okay, never mind.
What about how the tree felt? How do trees feel normally?
Hard and like
The tree felt
bumpy
The tree felt rough.
and
the tree felt like a lizard's back.
Oh, there you go. The tree felt rough. We'll put the tree felt as rough. Good job. I like that one. Zildjian, as rough as a lizard's back. Because they're kind of rough. I don't have lizards. I don't like lizards.
my brother collects lizards. Wait, actually doesn't. He likes lizards, but whenever since we moved into this new house, there's a compost area and a bunch of lizards at the compost area.
How y'all are using a lot of similes here as. That's good. That's good of you.
A lot of lizards on the back of my house where the compost area is at. My brother's like catching them and take them back to their home.
Cool. So,
Lizards just around my house.
all right,
Where I live, there's like a lot of lizards.
let's go. R, we have remove unnecessary words. Remove repeated words or phrases. Remove sentences that are off topic or distracting to the reader. So if I'm saying, I went to the beach Sunday, my favorite color is blue. Does that the second sentence, my favorite color is blue, is that related to talking about your beach trip?
Nope.
That would be off topic, wouldn't it? We don't need to know what your favorite color is unless it's saying your favorite color, unless you're going to relate it maybe to the ocean water and the water looking blue, like your favorite color or something. But we don't need to know random off topic things like that are going to distract the reader. Let's see. Move words or sentences. Are the events in order? Would it make sense in a different order? So, if you're going to tell a story, we'll say in like chronological order where you're going from first, then, next, and last. You're not going to tell me you, at the end of the day, you went to dinner and on at the end of the day, you went to dinner. And then you're not going to go ahead and tell me, well, for breakfast we had pancakes or whatever. You would want to put what you did for breakfast before you talked about what you ate for dinner, right? Because isn't that what you did first during your daytime?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going through this real fast. We'll have to go back. Substitute words. Replace boring words with descriptive words. Replace overused words with synonyms. Use a thesaurus. So that's like a dictionary, but it's got a lot of thesaurus, or not thesaurus, it's got a lot of synonyms. So if I say synonyms are words that are similar to each other. So let me give you an example of, we'll say tall. What's another way to say tall maybe?
High.
High. What else?
Big.
Big. Maybe huge,
Oh yeah, huge.
gigantic,
Those are good ones. Giant.
like that. Or if we're gonna say something looks small, what would be a synonym for small?
Short.
Short. What else?
Tiny.
Tiny. Maybe microscopic, because something might be small. If I say the germs are microscopic, they're small. Let's see. On the next slide, you explore the source. Ooh, good, happy. To discover synonyms for words good, happy, and sad, be prepared to share your findings. We're probably not going to do that. Nope. Well, let me go back to that. Let's look up some for good. So, if you're doing this, maybe we'll go back and do it. Synonyms for good. Okay, let me type in here. Oh yeah, good. Search. This is really slow like this. Ooh, synonyms for good. Acceptable. Vulnerable, or not vulnerable, valuable, wonderful, favorable, excellent. I don't think bad would be a synonym though. That's an antonym. That would be opposite, right? Exceptional, favorable, great, marvelous. No. What else? I say what? Let's share with a partner. I'm gonna skip. Think of it this way. Editing is looking for mistakes. Revising is all about ideas. We're gonna have to go back to this tomorrow. Remember, editing and revising are not the same, but both are important. Is that the end of it? Think of it this way. Revising is all about listening to make it sound better. You can do this through making changes like adding, removing, moving, or substituting. Your changes make the text. We're gonna have to go back on this. Tomorrow we will practice revising a passage together and use arms to help us. We will, probably not tomorrow, but okay, before we go, I have some announcements I need to make.
Okay.
So make sure your parents are on the lookout for the email about math, that tomorrow they can pick up math, because at the end of your Sharon Wells binder, there's no more math. You're gonna have to pick up some more for the next 6 weeks, okay?
Okay.
Also tomorrow at 9 o'clock, this is crazy. I don't know how this is gonna work, but tomorrow at 9 o'clock, we will have a fire drill. So I don't know how that's gonna work for y'all. I guess for y'all, I'm just gonna mute y'all so y'all don't hear the beeping and leave y'all on. And then I will take Antonio outside and then we'll be back, okay?
Okay.
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 And then also, starting next week, we're gonna have testing. For one, I know we have a math into the 6 weeks test, but we're also gonna have some benchmark tests. So like a star release test for writing and reading, and then there was just math, I think. So yeah, reading, writing, and math tests all next week. So it's very important that you're in school every single day, because we're gonna have certain times where we're gonna be taking those tests online. So, got it? So you're gonna have to be on a computer, and I'm gonna be proctoring and watching, and I want cameras on, I want all that stuff. But that's next week, not this week, okay? But I just wanted to give you a heads up and let you know that's next week. It's gonna be a busy week. Got it? But for tomorrow, be ready to have a fire drill in the morning and have your math ready in the morning, okay? More to do.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.